Hello friends, I am Shivaji Walke. In today's session of agrotourism, we are going to learn about marketing of agrotourism. So first, we'll see what is our marketing in case of agrotourism. So first one is our definition for marketing. Marketing is a process of determining what customer want and using that information to produce and sell a goods or services to satisfy that want. So it is an process for determining the wants or determining the demands for the products or services, and using this information or using this market research information produce that goods or services to satisfy that wants. Okay, simply it is a process for identification of customer wants and needs, and using these informations we are going to produce the goods and services to satisfy these wants and needs of customers. Second one, definition for agrotourism marketing. Agrotourism marketing include identification of your customer base, a clear description of goods and services and experience which are offered, and advertising and promotion of agrotourism business. So agrotourism marketing include the identification of your customer base, identification of your who is an your customers. Okay, is he from foreign, or he is an urban peoples, or he is an from male or females, then he is a from child or adult or young. So identification of your customer base or identification of who is an your customers. Then clear description about the goods, services and experience which you are going to offer in your agrotourism center. Then advertising and promotion of agrotourism business. Tell more people about your agrotourism centers by using various promotional methods or various promotional ways. So what is an agrotourism marketing? So simply agrotourism marketing include the process for identification of customers base and description of your products, services and experience which you are going to offer in your agrotourism centers, and advertising and promotion of your agrotourism business within the potential tourist. Now what is an marketing mix for agrotourism? Now we know what is an marketing mix. Marketing mix is an list of controllable things or controllable variables which organization or any agrotourism owners has to control for successful running of their business. So marketing mix include 4 P's, okay, which are product, price, place, promotion, and other P's also like process, people, physical evidence, programs or partnerships. Now we'll see one by one. We'll start with first P, that is product. Now in case of agrotourism business, because you are offering service industry business, so it is an service. So under product you need to define a range of goods and services or various experience which are going to offer in your agrotourism centers. Define your product portfolio or service portfolio or experience things which are going to offer in your agrotourism center. Then second one, quality and warranties. This experience or these services should be in quality manners. Okay, if you are offering the foods to the tourists, that there should be the goods are healthy. If you are offering the accommodations, then that should be in a safety manners should be considered. Okay, so third one, that is an after sales service. For tourism, a positive practice involves the gathering the feedbacks from your customers on quality of your experience and asking to the suggest improvements in your business. Okay, somebody tell that your happy customer is your brand ambassador for your agrotourism marketing. Okay, so once after even after selling or even after experience that of your agrotourisms, look for the feedback of the that tourist. Okay, ask them for the feedback or ask them for the suggestion in your services and experience. Now second P, that is price. What is an cost, or how much cost need to pay by the visitors for visiting your agrotourism. Deciding how to adjust price, you can challenge it at the times. The sections below they describe the several pricing methods. Your business may be use combination of this. Deciding the price for your agrotourism facilities and services. So this price based on the profit oriented pricing objective. If your motto is an earning the profits, then you can adjust the price as much the demand for your products or experience or your agrotourisms, extending the cost of products that producing the services. Okay, so as per the your objective, if you want to earn the profit, then as per the demand you can match your price. Okay, if there is an more demand, you can increase demand, or if there is an less demand, you can lower down the demands. Now second one, that is an sales oriented profit. Okay, depend on the sales. Okay, now for the agrotourism there are some season. In some season the agrotourism work in a great manner, and some season there are off season times. So during this season time you can increase the price, depend on your sales or depend on the number of tourists or number of customers which are visiting to your agrotourism centers. You can vary the prices. Then cost oriented prices. Okay, now rising price as your cost of producing the products or as your cost of the maintaining the services. So depend on the services or depend on the cost for that services, you can increase the price. If somebody wants to visit for one day, you can charge a different price. Somebody wants to visit for 1 day and 1 night, you can charge different price. Somebody wants to enjoy the various adventure camp in your agrotourism centers, you can charge different price. So depend on the cost or depend on the number of operations, you can increases the prices. Then competition orientation pricing. You can adjust the pricing as other business offering the same services adjust their prices, usually lowering the prices for the competitive edge. So depend on your competitors. Okay, along with your agrotourism centers, there are so many agrotourism centers which are also offering these services to the visitors. So you can look their prices, and upon their prices you can decide your prices. Okay, so this is an pricing for the agrotourism. Now third one, that is an place. Now we know that is an place plays important role in a success of any agrotourism centers. So place is an your locations or location of maybe the potential customers are called as a target market. Okay, so place decide your location for your agrotourism centers. It should be the blessed with some natural resources, or it should have some agricultural crops. Okay, or your place should be the easy to access or easy to arrivals for the customers or visitors. Then relative locations, how far are the customers from your business? Okay, what is the distance between your target customers, or we can say that your potential customers and your agrotourism centers. Then coverage, other place identify as a target markets. So for how much areas or how much areas you are going to offer your services. Okay, for which customers or which kind of segments you are going to offer the services. Then sense of place, because the most of the success factors is depend on your place only. This is an overall image of your regional areas. Important to preserve this sense of place when integrating your business into the community, because this your place should have the touch of your rural areas, or it should have some natural resources like dam, any rivers or any waterfalls or any mountain. Okay, so there should be some sense or people would like to visit your place or visit your agro-tourism centers. Then fourth one, that is promotion. People have to know about your business to become a customers, and promotion involves, or the promotions, it means the telling about your agro-tourism centers. This is an my agro-tourism centers, and you can visit like this. Then promotional tools include the personal sellings. Okay, it includes the visit to the various health center or various the gardens where the potential customers lies, persuading the people to buy your products in a small interactive groups. Or you can also arrange the various meetings within various big societies in a cities areas for attracting them or for offering them your agro-tourism services. Then various sales promotions, like you can offer various coupons on your services. Then you can offer arrange the various contents and other things for increasing your sales or increasing your number of count. Then publicity events, you might be involved in a hosting event that attract the media coverage. Okay, you can arrange the various publicity events, okay, which will directly or indirectly target to your customer groups. Then go for the advertisings, telling people about the services which are available at your businesses for increasing the public interest. Go for the various printed media or go for the various digital media, okay, for advertising of your agro-tourism centers. Then merchandising, selling your item without your business name or labels, that might be the include include an t-shirt and other items available for the sales at your business, or peoples who wear these items will help to promote your business in a futures. So merchandising include the promoting your business within some promotional tools or within some materials like t-shirts or cap, then various bands, then various handicrafts. You can promote your agro-tourism center services. Okay, now along with these four P's, we have another piece which are peoples, that is the owner of the agro-tourism centers and the employees of the agro-tourism centers, because they are only going to handle the customers. Then package, what you are actually going to offer, okay, including the agro-tourism centers. Are you planning for the other centers or other attractive point near to your agro-tourism centers? Okay, then partnerships, along with your agro-tourism centers, you can join hand with an other tourism centers also, or other local authorities or local centers also, like schools or like various NGOs or various SSGs. Then process, how you are process or programming, how you are going to offer or how you are going to handle your customers. So these are the important marketing piece for agro-tourism centers. Now top tips for marketing of agro-tourism centers. What are the top tips for the marketing of agro-tourism centers? So first one, put visible signboard on your property. Okay, put some signboards or the direction board for visitors or for tourists. Then make sure that the business find way to care your centers. To make sure that the tourists are easily can find your tourist destinations. Then procure quality brochures and PR materials and use less word and more photos. Okay, so using various brochures or various printing materials or public materials, promotion materials, you can create the promotions. Then don't use photocopiers like color publications. Okay, means earlier days the printing on the any cloths, okay, by using the printers. So don't use this one. Then show the commitment to the quality and attract lot more attentions. Okay, give them proper hospitality things. So stick with your commitment, means stick with your what you are going to offer in your agro-tourism centers. Then develop and maintain dynamic websites, okay, or web portal for your agritourism center. Then develop the contract with an schools, colleges, NGOs, clubs, unions, organizations, SHGs for the partnerships. Then understand about the customer wants and their expectations. Understand what your customer is looking for or what actually customer is demanding for. Then use the local resources for the entertainment. Use the local resources, okay, like local folk art, okay, various local traditions or local foods, then local games or local adventurous games, then local recreational things for maintaining the tourist. Then develop a good relationships or develop a relationship with your customers, okay. Always keep touch in their in your customers for inviting them for again and again visit. Then happy customers are the most important for the success of your agritourism centers, okay. So provide them proper services or provide them proper facilities. Then develop mailing list. Once they visit to your agritourism centers, then take their some information related to their contact number or address or family members or their interesting things, okay. So within this you can prepare the mailing list or the contract your customer list for further contract them. Then take care of your customers. Always take care of your customers. Then they follow up the best hospitality practices, okay. Carry the some best hospitality practices. Then don't afraid to the charging for your services, okay. So you can charge the to your customers as per the services, okay. So don't hesitate for this one. Then need to offer a quality services. Offer them quality services. Then target people with an money, charge and more for the your services. Then people expect more from you, okay. Target people with an some money and charges for more of the your services. Then some wall painting, billboard, street furnitures and other components also can use for a. And along with, you can also offer them gift hampers or various welcoming kits or your agrotourism specialties things. So these about the whole today's sessions. Now what we'll learn today? Today we have seen about the marketing of agrotourism. Now marketing is an simply process for determining what your customer is looking for, and by using that informations to produce and sell that goods and services to satisfy these wants or needs of customers. Then what is an agrotourism marketing? So agrotourism marketing include the identification of customer base, who is your customers, then description about your goods, services and experience which you are going to offer in your agrotourism centers, and advertising and promotion of your agrotourism business. Then marketing mix for agrotourism. So there are 4 P's. Majorly product, it means services. What kind of things or facilities or services or amenities which are going to offer to your tourist. Then price, at what cost you are going to offer that products, okay. So for this one you can decide your price depend on your sales, depend on your cost, depend on your competitions or depend on your motto of profit making. Then place, so decide the location for your agrotourism centers or decide the ways to reach to your agrotourism centers. Then promotions, how will you promote your agrotourism centers idea within our potential customers? By using various medias like personal sellings, then various sales promotions tools, then various publicity events, advertising materials and various merchandising things. Then other P's like peoples. Peoples we are related to the agrotourism centers, like you owner of the agrotourism centers or the employees in the agrotourism centers. Then package, in package what you are going to offer to your agrotourism visitors. Then partnerships, going for the joining hand with an any private entities or other than your agro-tourism centers. Then process, how the customer will be hospital or how the customer will be served in your agro-tourism center. Then tips for the agro-tourism marketing, use some sign boards. Then make the easy to the reach to your agro-tourism centers. Then use some attractive marketing materials or the PR materials with some attractive photos. Then you can develop the website, or you can show the commitment, or you can for providing the quality services to the visitors. Then develop the partnership with various NGOs, schools, then any local authorities or local bodies, or we can also develop the partnership with any ESG for selling their handicrafts in your agro-tourism centers. Then understand the pulse of customers, what your customer is looking for. Then arrange some local things in your agro-tourism centers. Okay, some various local recreational practices like local folk art or local dance. Then maintain the good relationship with customers. Then make customer happy by providing the good hospitality or reception services. Then develop the mailing list or develop the customer list and continuous touch with them. Then take care of your customers about their safety, about their health. Then follow up the best hospitality practices. Then charge upon your cost. Then you need to offer a quality services. And wall paintings, you can also use wall painting, billboards and street furniture components for the marketing of your agro-tourisms. Or you can also develop the relationships, or you can also type with some health center like relaxation centers or various mind relaxation centers. So these are about the whole today's sessions. I hope you have understand. If not, please ask me. Thank you.